Hello everyone, welcome to Sri Vidyaradhana Nanded. This is a series of Excellence in Physics. ये सीरीज का नाम है Excellence in Physics. Many students, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को मन में ये ड्रीम रहता है टू अचीव ऑल इंडिया रैंक. सो चाहे नीट में होने दो 180 को 180 अचीव करने का एंड जेई में मेंस में आउट ऑफ स्कोर करने का 100 आउट ऑफ 100 एंड एडवांस में भी बेस्ट स्कोर अचीव करके ऑल इंडिया रैंक क्रैक करने का ड्रीम हर एक स्टूडेंट को रहता है. सो फॉर दैट काइंड ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन एक्सेलेंस. If you focus on excellence, automatically the all India rank will follow you. So that's why our series name is Excellence in Physics. So इसमें innovative questions जो नीट में देने वाला टफ क्वेश्चन से एंड जेई मेंस एंड एडवांस में देने वाला टफ क्वेश्चंस द डिफिकल्ट आइडियाज को बारे में मैं चर्चा करने वाला हूं. सो वेलकम टू विद्याराधना एंड आवर सीरीज इज एक्सेलेंस इन फिजिक्स. सो सी माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हियर इज वन क्वेश्चन. एक चाइट से एक पार्टिकल को यू वेलोसिटी दिया गया है, फिर ये पार्टिकल पैराबोलिक पाथ फॉलो करके इधर गिर रहा है. अभी क्वेश्चन ये है कि इसका रेंज को एक्सप्रेशन लेके आना. दे आर आस्किंग यू फाइंड द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर रेंज and they are asking you what is the maximum range also, and they will ask you the condition to achieve that maximum range also. So it is a beautiful analysis. इसको students different तरीका से different derivation से solve करेगा. I am trying a innovative idea. See this. ये इनोवेटिव आइडिया क्या है? इनिशियल वेलोसिटी u जो है इधर, उसको पैरेलली इस इनिशियल वेलोसिटी u डायरेक्शन को पैरेलली पॉइंट हिटिंग जगह से मैं एक लाइन इमेजिन करता हूं. दिस इज ए इमेजिन लाइन which is parallel to initial velocity line. Okay, this is actually very interesting idea. इसमें अभी ये एंगल अल्फा होगा तो ये एंगल अल्फा होगा तो the remaining here angle is going to be 90 minus alpha, and this angle is going to be again alpha, because this line whatever I took here, this line is perpendicular between these two lines. This line is perpendicular between these two parallel lines. So if it is alpha, then it is 90 minus alpha, then again alpha. Acceleration due to gravity direction is vertically downward. G is vertically downward. If you take G component along this perpendicular direction, you are getting G value along this direction as G cos alpha. G value along this direction, G cos alpha. Okay, what is initial velocity along this direction? Because this direction is perpendicular to initial velocity, so initial velocity direction along this direction is 0. Okay, so I got a direction along which initial velocity is 0. This is the main takeaway point in this concept. So this is the line, along this line initial velocity is 0. Okay, now range you need to find that expression. That range R should be equal to its initial velocity along horizontal direction. It is going to be u cos theta. We know that this is alpha, so u cos alpha. U component along horizontal direction, it is u cos alpha. So u cos alpha हॉरिजॉन्टल वेलोसिटी आ गया. सो फिर पार्टिकल इधर से आके इधर गिरने तक कितना टाइम लगेगा? दैट टाइम इनटू दिस हॉरिजॉन्टल वेलोसिटी, इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई यू विल गेट दिस रेंज, बिकॉज रेंज इज दिस हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्प्लेसमेंट. ये वैल्यू इक्वल होता है हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट u cos अल्फा को, एंड पार्टिकल उधर से इधर को आने के लिए लगने वाला टाइम ऑफ फ्लाइट कैपिटल T को. दिस टू प्रोडक्ट इज नथिंग बट दिस रेंज R. Okay, excellent, perfect. So now how to find this T value? Simple thing, what I do, I will multiply with G and I will divide with G for this one. So what I am going to see, U by G into this g cos alpha into time t. I multiplied with g and divided with g. Then what you got? G cos alpha into time of flight. G cos alpha is the acceleration along this line into time period, means time taken for the particle to come from there to here. That means this quantity will be equal to velocity of the particle after reaching here along this direction, along this direction. ऐसा कि इधर पार्टिकल का फाइनल वेलोसिटी क्या होगा मुझे बताओ. along this direction particle का final velocity is equal to initial velocity 0 plus इस direction में acceleration cos alpha, उधर से इधर को आने के लिए लगने वाला time capital T. So this is the velocity here along this direction. This is nothing but either final velocity, for example final velocity ये कुछ तो v dash कहता हूँ, ये final velocity horizontal से beta angle कर रहा होगा तो ये final velocity along this direction, this final velocity along this direction क्या होगा? That is v sin this total angle alpha plus beta. This alpha is with initial velocity, direction, horizontal angle. This beta is final velocity making an angle. So v sin alpha plus beta is along this direction velocity. So now this is also going to be equal to this v dash. A v dash दोनों same. This is beautiful idea. Here this value and here this one both are equal because this is the line perpendicular to initial velocity and here, and this is also perpendicular to this u line. So that's why these two equal. So g cos alpha into t, g cos alpha into t, I will replace with this value. So that is going to be u by g in bracket v sin of alpha plus beta. So the final value is for range, that expression is r equal to uv by g sin of alpha plus beta. So maximum value for the range is going to be r max here uv by g because sin function maximum value is 1. So now you got range maximum, that is uv by g, and this v value also you can calculate by using conservation of energy there and here. Here total energy of m u square plus potential energy mgh. Here total energy finally only kinetic energy of m v square. The two if you equate, then you are going to get this v value. You can submit that v value here. So r maximum immediately आएगा. फिर ये r maximum के लिए, so here for r max, so this is alpha plus beta value should be equal to pi by 2, 90 degree. फिर ये 90 degree होगा तो बीटा क्या होगा? Beta is pi by 2 minus alpha. Beta is pi by 2 minus alpha. Then the condition for r max रेंज मैक्सिमम के लिए ये सिचुएशन में कंडीशन क्या होगा? सो ये बीटा वैल्यू पाई बाय 2 माइनस अल्फा होना चाहिए. बट हॉरिजॉन्टल वेलोसिटी ऑलवेज कांस्टेंट. इनिशियल हॉरिजॉन्टल वेलोसिटी u cos alpha, final horizontally velocity. So for this v component along the side you can take. So initial horizontal velocity will be u cos alpha is equal to final horizontal velocity will be v cos beta. You can equate that v cos beta. So u cos alpha is equal to v cos beta is 90 minus alpha. So pi by 2 minus alpha. So this is going to be v sin alpha. This is u cos alpha. So then sin by cos tan, then u by v will be tan alpha. This is the condition. This is the condition. And v also, if you calculate initial energy half m U square plus potential energy mgh is equal to final kinetic energy of mv square. From this expression, m gets cancelled and U square plus 2gh is equal to v square. Square if you remove and if you apply root, so v value you got, put that v here, then you are getting condition for alpha, for which alpha range is going to be maximum. Alpha is tan inverse of the whole expression, that is u by this whole, this is going to be u square plus 2gh. So my dear students, a beautiful innovative idea I have discussed now. H से पार्टिकल को भेजे तो उसका जनरल एक्सप्रेशन फॉर द रेंज के लिए जनरल एक्सप्रेशन हमको इधर आया. इसमें v वैल्यू सबमिट भी कर सकते हो आप. इधर से मैक्सिमम रेंज को एक्सप्रेशन आया. देन ये मैक्सिमम रेंज को कंडीशन भी हमने डिस्कस किया. कंडीशन फॉर मैक्सिमम रेंज, initial horizontal velocity u cos alpha, and finally this v component that said v cos beta should be equal. Then we got this v we got from conservation of energy idea. Then if you apply here alpha, this is the condition for maximum range or maximum condition. So max range condition. So excellent concept. I suggest all my dear students to achieve a all India rank. First, you should achieve excellence in physics. To achieve in excellence in physics, you should work on this kind of innovative ideas and subject analysis. I hope this whole video is very much useful to you. Please let us know इस तरह वीडियोस आपको innovative and subject depth videos और आप क्या क्या करना है. So we also decided that every day I am going to give you the excellence in physics videos. Every day one video about excellence in physics and one video conceptual physics. That conceptual physics is about understanding the pure concept of the physics, and excellence in physics is to get innovative ideas and depth analysis about the physics. I hope this work is appreciable and it is useful to you. And we will meet in our next video. And this is RSR Sir, Center Head and Physics Expert of Vidyaradhana Nanded branch.